James River Academy, specializing in appliance repair business training for startups. Our course, the Appliance Repair Business Blueprint, was designed to take entrepreneurs interested in starting an appliance repair business from troubleshooting to taxes. With over 30 plus years in the appliance repair industry, including operating our own successful appliance repair business, we are ready to be your personal mentors with weekly Zoom calls, email support, and phone support. Our course has 30 modules with over 70 lessons, giving you the perfect blueprint to learn the skills and methods necessary to launch, grow, and scale your own highly profitable appliance repair business, all while guiding you around the costly mistakes so many new appliance repair business owners make that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars or even kill your new business. We are so sure that you will find success using our system that we offer something no other course is willing to give to their students: a done-for-you marketing package that includes a professionally built website, Google Business Profile, Google Local Services, and Google Ads setup and optimization, shadow funnel build, social media development, and more. A $1,500 value, yours free when you join our community of business owners. Also, as an added bonus, if you join our community of business owners, you will receive 3 months or $30,000 total in Google Ads management on us for free. Applies only to Google management fee, ad costs not included. So if you've ever thought about starting your own appliance repair business, now is the time to take advantage of this amazing offer and our amazing community. Let us help you build the business of your dreams.